Here's an outline of how we'll use Google Drive to transfer and share the created content. We'll create a shared folder on Google Drive and invite you to it. This folder will be used to store all the files and content we create for your YouTube channel. Once we complete a video or other content, we'll upload it to the shared folder on Google Drive. We'll then send you a link to the folder, along with any specific instructions on which files to download or use. From there, you can download the files, review the content, and provide us with feedback or any necessary revisions. Once any revisions are made, we'll upload the updated files to the shared folder on Google Drive for your review and final approval. Finally, we'll provide you with the necessary files in the format you require, whether that's MP4 or any other file format you prefer. We'll make sure that the files are uploaded to the shared folder on Google Drive, and you can download them at any time. Overall, using Google Drive for file sharing is a quick, easy, and secure way to collaborate and share files with our clients. It allows for seamless communication and efficient transfer of content, ensuring that we can deliver high-quality videos and other content to your YouTube channel.